Listen carefully. Pay the money or you'll never see your wife again.
Quick question.
What?
Do refunds apply if she comes back louder than before?
I can hear you!
Yeah.
I'm hanging up.
Oh.
We kidnapped your wife. Pay $100,000 if you want her back.
100,000? That's the price of peace.
Peace, you forgot our anniversary again, didn't you?
See? Even kidnapped, she's still arguing. Congratulations, you kidnapped the manager of my life. Princess, the weather is beautiful today. Will you go for a walk with me? Every time, just one sound. Why? Answering yes or no, please. Hey, gossip lady?
The gossip lady is your mother.
Hey, Mom? Are you okay? Princess, the weather is beautiful. Will you go for a walk with me? That's it. Yes or no? Not background music. Meow.
Hello, handsome. Did you miss my little kisses?
Oh, but don't kiss me too much. I'll fall in love.
Yes. I am in love with you, Paco.
Then leave your husband for me. Hey, gossip lady.
The gossip lady is your mother.
Hey, Mom. Are you okay?
Hello, handsome. Did you miss my little kisses?
Oh, but don't kiss me too much. I'll fall in love.
Yes, I am in love with you, Paco.
Then leave your husband for me.
Hello, handsome. Did you miss my little kisses?
Oh, but don't kiss me too much. I'll fall in love.
Yes, I am in love with you, Paco.
Then leave your husband for me. Hey, fancy squirrel. I see you watching me again. Now don't fly away. Follow me.
Excuse me, may I see your ticket, sir?
I don't have a ticket. I flew in through the window by mistake.
This is a first-class train. Everyone needs a
I'm a
ticket.
parrot. I pay in jokes. Isn't that enough?
Rules are rules, even for talking birds.
Fine. Stop the train. I'll fly on the tracks. At least the pigeons travel for free.
Stop. Please listen to me. I make videos just for you, but nobody follows me. Please follow me. Please share me. Make me a viral parrot.
Happy New Year, everyone. I talk to you every day. I make you smile. But nobody follows me. That really hurts my little heart. If you truly care about me... Hey, fancy squirrel. I see you watching me again. Now don't fly away. Follow me.
Excuse me, may I see your ticket, sir?
I don't have a ticket. I flew in through the window by mistake.
This is a first-class train. Everyone needs a ticket.
I'm a parrot. I pay in jokes. Isn't that enough?
Rules are rules.
Mom! Don't laugh yet. She's testing recipes on me. Mom, please help. Mom, wake up, please.
Sunday, sweetheart.
Sunday is rest day for humans, not for parrots. I just want one cookie. Do Sundays have cookies? Mom! Mom! Call 911. Call the FBI. This thing thinks I'm a snack. He's checking me like a buffet sample. 911. Call the FBI. This thing thinks I'm a snack. He's checking me like a buffet sample.
Sir, would you like some peanuts?
Yes. Finally, something free on this flight.
That will be $5.
$5? Even my cage has better service.
Sir, it's company policy.
Company policy? I have wings, not credit cards. Open the window. I'm switching airlines mid-air. Why are you cutting my brother?
You killed my brother.
I'm calling 911. I'm calling the FBI.
Hey, Fluffy Boss. Do you actually understand me, or is that your only reply? Wow. One word, zero explanation, and you still look smarter than half the internet.
Alexa, what is 1 plus 1?
1 plus 1 equals 2.
Good job, Alexa. At least you're smarter than my last owner. Officer, do you solve cases fast, or just look confident while waiting?
Focus and stay where you are.
Relax. I've seen pigeons crack mysteries quicker.
Okay, that was clever.
Why did you train here, or just practice standing still?
Mind your behavior and stay put.
No worries. Statues move more than this place anyway.
All right, that one hurt.
Relax.
Officer, why do clocks move slower in this building?
Because patience is required here.
Makes sense. Everything else stopped already.
Ha! Okay, I walked into that one. Officer, is this place for catching criminals or collecting dust?
Watch yourself and stay quiet.
I tried staying quiet, but even the walls are bored here.
Ha! All right, that was good.
Officer, why does everyone here look busy but nothing ever happens?
Stay still and behave.
Relax. I clap faster than your whole station works.
Okay. That was fun.